These AI animal haircut videos are blowing up right now. So let me teach you how. Okay, guys, so once you log into your ChatGPT account, go to the left side and click on Explore GPTs. From there, you're going to type in animal haircut generator. Then click on the top one, okay? Then you're going to go down to Start Chat. Then click on Start the Generator at the top. Then it's going to ask you to tell you what type of animal you want and then the haircut style, okay? I'm going to choose a lion and a curtain. Then click Generate. Okay, guys, as we can see, the ChatGPT plus image 1 and has given us image 2, okay, and the video prompt below. Okay, guys, the next thing you want to do is go to Google, type in Flow AI, click on the first one at the top. So, guys, I already have an account with Flow AI, but if you didn't, you can easily create one using your Google account. Okay, once that's done, click on Create with Flow. Click on New Project, and we're going to go down below, click on Image, make sure it's 9:16 ratio, make sure it's Nano Banana 2. Okay, you can do Nano Banana Pro, but that's not free. We want it to be free, so it's going to remain Nano Banana 2. Okay, so back in ChatGPT, I'm going to click on Copy, and we're going to paste our prompt from ChatGPT on here and click Generate. And we see that it's generating our image. Guys, so this is the image that Flow gave us. It looks pretty good to me. We're back in ChatGPT. I'm getting ready to copy my second image, going to the corner, right click. Okay, I'm back in Flow. I just pasted my second prompt. Now click the Generate button. Okay, guys, so here is our second image that Flow gave us. The next thing, guys, we want to do is go down to the bottom. Make sure it's still 16. Click on Video. Make sure it says Frames, and it's already at 9:16, okay? Then we're going to come down here, and we're going to click on Start, and then we're going to go to End, and we're going to click on this one right here. Okay, guys, we're going to copy our video prompt from ChatGPT and right back at Flow. We're going to paste our video prompt from ChatGPT. Click Enter the Generate button and see what it gives us. So, guys, here is our video. I'm going to press play. So, guys, that is it. Very easy to do. When you're done, go to the 3 dots, scroll down to download, and click on 720, and it's download. Guys, it is just that simple. So if you like more tutorials like this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.